Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix color bending on Samsung The Frame TV. So I'll start with the advice. First of all, use higher bit depth images. So when you're displaying images, especially in art mode, you should use high bit depth files like 16-bit uncompressed PNG format photos or bitmap formats instead of compressed or low bit depth files, which will preserve smooth color gradients and will fix this issue for you in the fastest way. Now also on your TV you can adjust picture mode and settings by going to settings from the sidebar, then selecting all settings menu, go to picture menu and disable eco mode and set either dynamic standard, or for the best result select movie option, then click OK. And after that let's also adjust expert settings in the same menu. Try to reduce contrast and brightness values to minimize exaggerated transitions that can cause bending on your device. Also, let's calibrate Gamma, which is located right here. You can increase it to 2 value, and in picture clarity settings just select auto, or if you want to, you can select custom, set Judder reduction between 0 and 3. Also set disable LED clear motion and enable noise reduction. And after that let's also you can also just reset picture settings, which is the last option on this list. So just click on it and click reset. But this will reset all picture settings, not just the picture, and not just color settings and everything, brightness, the size of picture. So yeah, do it if you to do it as last resort, basically. Also go to the support menu and select software update. Select update now. Make sure that you are connected to the internet and let your device check for available updates. And if it finds any updates available for your TV, then take your time to download and install them. This can also help you with this problem. Next, check source quality and device, because color bending often comes from 8-bit source content or poor compression. So use 10-bit or better content sources and ensure your input device outputs high-quality signals. And so all of that should help you fix the color bending issue on your Samsung The Frame TV. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.